What if you sneezed in space? No gravity, no air. Sounds simple, right? Think again. If you were in a spacesuit, your sneeze would get trapped inside your helmet and all that force would bounce back at your face. So not only would it be messy and uncomfortable, but it could also knock you backward if you're floating inside a spacecraft. And what if you were outside in open space without a suit? Well, you wouldn't sneeze at all because you'd die instantly from lack of pressure and oxygen. But if you were outside with a suit, it would be very uncomfortable. So remember, even in space, our bodies still work the same way. And even a simple sneeze can be dangerous. That's why it's important to study how our bodies react to space, so we can better understand the amazing science that keeps us alive.